Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to send emails to your campaign and get in touch with your leads. So you're going to go to email broadcast, click on that, and you're going to click compose. First you're going to choose your campaign. So I'm going to choose one campaign, and obviously you need to choose the campaign that you want to send them emails to. You want to make sure you have their emails. And now you're going to choose your email that you want to send the email to from. The subject is your house in North Miami Beach. And you're going to compose the email. Hi, this is Daron, just contacting you about your property over at, and you're gonna put the recipient address, address, next, city, and state. Just wondering if you're looking to sell that property, please let me know. Thank you, Daron, and your phone number. And now you can click send, and it's going to send to everybody on your list at one time. Now you can save that draft. So next time that you want to send that, if you're not ready to send that email, you're going to save that, and then you go back to draft. And you can find that email. And now you can send it, or you can just copy and paste it to a different campaign. And that's it basically. It's pretty simple. It's going to send to the whole list all at one time, and you're going to get the email back to your email. So if they reply back to your email.